Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing a simple healthy snack. Yes, so we'll start by mashing our blueberries. If you have frozen blueberry, it's fine. If you have a fresh one, it's okay. So you mash them properly. As you all know, that blueberry has a lot of properties. It helps reduce DNA damage, it regulates your cholesterol, lowers your blood pressure, lowers heart diseases, your risk of having a heart disease. It has antioxidant properties, support your gut health, protect your brain function. Yes, it helps in improve memory. So guys, after mashing it, the next thing we are going to be doing is to add our chia seeds. Yes, you heard chia seeds. We all know that chia seed has a lot of protein in it. You're going to be using 1 tablespoon of chia seed. It has a lot of properties as well. Prevents cancer, helps in digestion, helps in joint pain, healthy skin, hair, nails, aids in weight loss, reduce your blood sugar, cleanses your colon. Like, the benefits are endless. So we're gonna stir it together with the blueberry and allow it to stay for some time. Yes, so guys, if you're watching this video up to now, please do what to subscribe, like my video, and also share it to others. Thank you. So the next one is to get our maple syrup. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener. Yes, it's better than honey, but if you have honey, you can use honey. But I prefer maple syrup because it's a natural sweetener and it has lesser calories than honey. So we are going to be using 1 teaspoon of maple syrup in this snack. So after that, we're gonna stir it up again, mix it up again. So after mixing our yogurt, blueberry and maple syrup, we are going to place them in our baking sheet. Yes, in small proportions. You scoop them out, place them as if you're making a cookie. Just like that. Just little, you know. So I was able to get five scoops from the blueberry. If you want more, you increase the blueberry and increase your chia seeds. For this one, I used 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and then some blueberries. We are going to put it in the freezer for 1 hour. So this is after coming out from the freezer. The other one just, I don't know, it was slanting in the freezer, so that was why it turned out like that. But nevertheless, we are going to fix it. So now we are going to be scooping the frozen blueberry, maple syrup and chia seed mixture into the yogurt. Yeah, we all know the importance of yogurt. It's packed with vitamins, it's a rich source of protein, it helps to curb hunger, it aids in digestive system, it's good for the bones, lowers your blood pressure. There are a lot of benefits. It helps in weight loss. So you see, you just take out the frozen mixture, dip it in the yogurt, and that is it. So that your own doesn't shift or spill like my own, make sure you put it straight in the freezer so it doesn't spill like mine. Because if you slant it, it's gonna spill. So now I'm gonna put it in the freezer for another 1 or 2 hours and let's see how it turns out. So this is it after 1 hour in the freezer. If you want it to be solid, very strong, you can leave it for more than 1 hour, but 1 hour is okay. It's gonna be strong enough. So that's it. Our healthy snack is ready. So I'm gonna cut it to see how the inside is. It's very crunchy, guys. You're gonna love it. It's a healthy snack packed with protein, has a lot of vitamins, curbs hunger. Yes, so whenever I'm hungry, I just go to the freezer and pick this and eat. So if you're watching weight like me, this snack is gonna come in handy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like my video and share it. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye, and don't forget to try this and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.